Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a zombie Pusheen cat. It's super cute and easy to draw. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'll be using a dark brown pen brush to draw instead of black, since Pusheen normally has a brown outline. Let's start off by drawing the top of the head. Draw a small curved line near the top of the page. Next, let's draw the ears. On the right, draw a triangle shape with a curved top. Do the same thing on the left side. Let's draw the sides of the body now, and we'll start with the left side. Continue your left line downwards and a slight angle outwards, then curve it in at the bottom. For the right side, continue the line down and out. But stop about here, a little less than halfway down. Draw a sideways curved hook shape here for her paw. Continue the body line down now, curving it inwards at the bottom. Stop about here. Now draw a U shape for the foot. Continue the bottom of the body with a curved line. Stop again here and draw another U shape for the other foot. Close off the body now by connecting it to the line we drew earlier on the left side. Now that we have the shape of the body done, we can finish off the details and the face. In the inside of the body here, draw the other paw. It should be slightly lower than the one you drew earlier. Next, we'll draw her zombie stitching around the neck. Draw a curved line here about a quarter of the way down from the top. Next, draw some lines for the stitches. We'll draw 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Next, let's draw the face. Draw 2 circles spaced wide apart and color them in for the eyes. Now between the eyes, draw a triangle shape for her open zombie mouth. Next, let's draw the whiskers. On the right side, coming out from the side of the face, draw 2 slightly curved lines. For the left side whiskers, start the lines on the side of the face and draw 2 curved lines outwards. Lastly, let's draw her tail. It's going to come out the bottom left side of the body. Draw a line out and up, curve it around and back down, and connect it back to the body. And that's it for zombie Pusheen. Now let's color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.